The Honor Magic V2 is the latest addition to the foldable smartphone market, and it aims to raise the bar for this innovative form factor. As the successor to the excellent Honor Magic VS, the Magic V2 promises an unparalleled foldable design, impressive specifications, and a vibrant display. Let's dive into the details. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First things first, this phone is stunning. It's incredibly thin and light, making it the most portable foldable I've ever held. It easily slips in your pocket without feeling like a brick. Gone are the days of bulky foldable weighing you down. The design is sleek and minimalist, with gorgeous matte finish and minimal bezels. The hinge feels solid and smooth, offering a satisfying snap when opening and closing. While there's still a faint crease visible on the inner screen, but it's far less noticeable than on competitors. Now, let's talk the display. The external screen is a good size for everyday use with a 6.43 inch, while the inner screen unfolds to a tablet like 7.9 inches. Both OLED panels supports 120Hz refresh rate. Both are vibrant, sharp, and perfect for browsing, gaming, or multimedia. Multitasking is a breeze with a split screen option or floating windows, though software limitations prevent more than 2 apps simultaneously. Now, under the hood, the Magic V2 packs a punch with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a 4nm chipset, and an ample RAM with 16GB and 512GB of internal storage. Performance is snappy and smooth, handling everything from casual tasks to demanding games without a hitch. Battery life is also decent with 5000 mAh battery, lasting a full day with moderate usage. Fast charging of 66 watts gets you back up and running in no time. Now the camera system is decent as well, but not class leading. The 50MP main sensor captures good photos in well-lit conditions but struggles in low light. The other lenses, which are 20MP telephoto and 50MP ultra-wide, are okay, but don't offer the zoom capabilities of some rivals. Overall, the camera is serviceable, but not a major selling point. The Honor Magic V2 runs on Honor's Magic OS 7.2, which is a decent skin on top of Android 13. App optimization for foldables is improving, but some apps still haven't fully embraced the larger format. Alright, so is the Honor Magic V2 the foldable phone to beat? It's certainly a strong contender. It boasts a stunning design, impressive portability, top-notch performance, and a large immersive display. However, the camera could be better, the software needs refinement, and the price tag is hefty, which is 6,899 dirhams here in Dubai or around 100,000 pesos in the Philippines. If you prioritize portability and cutting-edge design, the Magic V2 is a compelling option. But if you value the best camera and software experience, other foldable phones might be a better fit. Ultimately, the design depends on your individual needs and budget. Alright, thanks for joining us today. If you like this video and you reached till here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. See you next time. Peace out.